Hello and welcome to this week's Trade of the Week for the week beginning Monday, the 30th of May. Now, last week's Trade of the Week was quite a controversial counter-trend trade on the daily DAX 40 chart, and I've got that here in front of me. And we went long on the DAX, not on Monday when the Trade of the Week was sent out, but on Tuesday on a retracement back down towards the top of this hammer formation here, which was made earlier in the previous week at 13,685, the low, and the high was made there at 13,985. So we went long the DAX at 13,985 on Tuesday with a view of rising back above the previous May highs towards the late April high at 14,599. We had our upside targets just below there at 14,595. So basically, we had a profitable trade of the week, cashing in profits of 610 points. And the premise of the trade was basically purely technical. We had a hammer formation here. We broke out of the hammer. And we believe that the previous up leg from the mid-May low was just the first leg in a move to the upside, which we're currently seeing. And now we're heading towards this key long-term resistance area coming in between 14,840 and 14,927. And as you can see on this daily chart, it incorporates all the lows seen back to May of 2021. And it acted as really tough resistance at the end of May when we had the last down leg. So this is the key resistance area, which is being targeted now on the DAX. This week's trade of the week is to go long the US dollar basket. As we can see on this daily chart, it has come off over the last 2 weeks, but it's starting to fall less rapidly than beforehand. And it also seems to be finding support close to the orange line here, the 55-day simple moving average at 101.01, and also the mid-April high at 192. And from a technical perspective, I believe that we have seen a correction to the major US dollar uptrend over the last couple of weeks, and that in the near future, we will resume this uptrend. And therefore, I would like to go long on this index at 101 with a stop loss just below the mid-April low at 99.45 and an upside target just below the previous high made at the beginning of May. And that was made at 104.91. So let's say at 104.18. So this week's trade of the week is again a technical trade going long the US dollar basket at 101 with a stop loss at 99.45 and an upside target at 104.80.